Good morning, Siam. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
It's going terrible.
Why?
The weather is very hot nowadays.
You are right. Good morning, guys. How are you?
Not good. The weather is very hot nowadays. What about you?
I'm great. By the way, can you tell me what were you talking about?
Why not? We were talking about the temperature.
What do you think about it, Prachi? The weather is getting worse day by day.
During the school time, it's almost impossible to focus on studies.
The fans of our school are not working properly. There is no tree in our school.
I think we should talk to our class teacher about replacing the fans.
Also, we can plant trees in our school, which will make our school more beautiful and cooler. It would be great if everybody uses the recycle bins properly.
I think these tips will help us to make our school more learner friendly and inclusive.
Tomorrow, we will discuss with our class teacher about it.
It will be great.
Oh my god, I have to go now, Arman.
I also have to go. See you in the class.
Okay, bye bye. See you later. Okay, goodbye.